This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at affordable price. I am AI. Come and buy fresh cheap tomatoes from Mama Angela. I am AI.
Creating videos like this is easy, and Mr. Casey will show you how to do that using free AI tools.
Hi viewers, this is Slendom AI. Welcome to the tutorial on how to create talking images. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Do you know that you can make any images talk without sophisticated cameras? Subscribe to Slendom AI today to learn.
AI has made it so possible that you do not need sophisticated cameras or a studio in order to create a video of yourself or of anybody else. Whether it is a generated image or image of your friend, or of course your own image, with the right AI tools, you can bring them to life. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to be dropping tips and tools, free tools that you can use to bring any image to life, be it an image of your friend, a family member, or an image generated by AI. Whether you want to send a message to someone, or you want to post on social media, or you want to create an advertisement, the tips and the step-by-step guidance I'm giving you here is going to help you make use of free AI tools to bring images to life. And if you have not subscribed to the channel Slendom AI, make sure that you hit the subscribe button now and subscribe, so that you will get in tutorials on different free AI tools that you can use to create things. First tool we'll be using is ChatGPT. You can download ChatGPT, register, and open a new chat the way I have done here. And I can prompt ChatGPT by just typing what I want and say hi, and ChatGPT will reply to me. Okay, and this way I can use my keyboard and type in text to ChatGPT. Another thing I can do is also to use the microphone feature of ChatGPT. And as you can see here, you can see the microphone by the right hand side there. So when you tap the microphone now, you will begin to say whatever you want ChatGPT to do for you, and it will give you your answers. So I'm going to use that feature to show you how it works. So I'm going to tap. I want you to give me a prompt to generate an image of a Nigerian lady standing beside a tomato seller in a typical Nigerian market. The woman is dressed in a lovely Ankara. The woman is fair in complexion. The image should be 16 by 9, suitable for YouTube video, and 4K with vibrant colors. So after saying all that, I hit send, and then it gave me this prompt, which I'm going to now take to an image generation app to generate the image. Okay, and there are so many apps that you can use. You can use Meta AI, you can use even the WhatsApp Meta AI, and you can use Google Image FX, and so many other tools that can generate images. Meanwhile, if you have not watched a video on how to do that, I'm going to be posting a video on how to do that. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, so that you don't miss out on other videos that I'll be posting very soon. So it has created our prompt. Now our prompt is ready. Let me give it another one, so it creates another one for me, and this time around is going to be a Nigerian man in an Ankara in a podcast studio. Okay, or yeah, in a podcast studio. So I'm going to use the mic again and then go. I want you to give me another prompt also. This time around, it will be a Nigerian man between 30 to 35 years. He is putting on a t-shirt, and on the t-shirt is a text, Slendom AI. The man is sitting in a modern, sophisticated podcast studio. The image is well lit and vibrant. The image is well lit and vibrant. Okay, so without minding the error there, and it's sitting in the middle of the image is well lit and vibrant. Okay, so he was able to do that without minding the error that just occurred, during the process. So I'm going to tap and hold this select, and then I will drag through to select it. Okay, select it this way, copy. Then the next one, so after copying the prompt, come over to your browser, open a new tab, and type Google Image FX. Okay, Google Image FX. The first result, just tap on it, scroll up until you find Google Lab Image FX. That's this one here. So tap on it to open it, and it's going to ask you to log in with your account. So you see sign in with Google there, and you choose an account to sign in with. Okay, so I'm going to choose an account and I will sign in with it. So it brought out all the images, all the email account that I have in my on my phone, so that I can select the one I want and then go ahead and use it. And also it brought out this option for me to install Google Lab. So if I want to install it as an app, once I tap install, it will begin to install it, and I can find it in the list of my apps on my phone. Okay, but if I don't want, I will just leave it and continue. So this is what I have, and um, here I can tap and paste the prompt that I just copied. So I will tap and hold and paste to paste the prompt that I just copied. And when you go to settings here, you can give it other settings like the aspect ratio, because this one does not really obey the command in the prompt when it comes to the aspect ratio. So you have to is choose it from the settings here, and I leave it at high quality. So aspect ratio is already at 16:9, and there are other ones like square 9:16, which is tall, and then 16:9, which is the one that we want. Okay, so I'll go ahead. Let me see the prompt. Let me close this. Okay, so let me go to input again so I can see that everything is all right. So when everything is all right, you just tap on this blue icon here, and then it will start creating our image. So let's wait for it to finish. Good, so we have it this way. So this is it. It had created the image for us. So unfortunately we cannot view it, we can't zoom it out, but this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have, and it usually gives 4. So you look at the one that is nice and you choose it. Okay, so I think I'll go with this one. So I will tap on the middle icon there, which is download, to download it. So it should download, so I'll download it. Then I can still go again to ChatGPT, tap and hold, select for the Nigerian man that I want to create before. So I tap and hold, select, tap on select, and then copy. Go back to Google Image FX here. Again, I will select everything, tap and hold to select everything, and select all. I delete this, then tap and hold again, paste for that one. Okay, then under settings, make sure that it is still 16:9. Go back to input again, and now the icon has changed to some sort of orange color. So I'll tap on it and it starts generating again for me. Okay, so that will make the second image that I am going to be generating now. Okay, so follow it step by step so that you don't miss out on anything, any important tip I will be giving. Okay guys, so follow me as we go. So it has generated this one. This is another one. This is another one. So which one do I like best? I think I like this one. So I'll click and download it. Okay, don't mind, it may bring out that thing that says you want to download it again. Just go ahead and download it. It doesn't replace the former one. Okay, it doesn't replace the former one. So once that is done, we go to the next tool, which is the tool we'll be using to animate it, and that is my favorite tool for now when it comes to animation, which is Grok. So I'm going to go to you can download Grok from your Play Store, and I will show you where and how to download that. Okay, so coming over to Play Store or your iOS store, you can just type in Grok, as you can see there. So that's the icon there. Tap open and it will open. Okay, on top you see ask and imagine. Tap on imagine and it opens for you to see your gallery. Now I'm going to tap on the man or the lady first. Let's start with the lady. So I'm going to tap on the image of the lady to upload it instantly, and once you upload it, it will start creating something. Okay, so while we wait for it automatically to finish creating, I want to customize it to my own taste and make it say what I want it to say. Okay, so what am I going to do? So okay, I typed in here where it says, let me show us, where it says type to customize video. So please guys, pay a good attention. Okay, pay a good attention. I typed where it says type to customize video, and you can also see it here. Look at it again, custom. If you tap there, you will see this. So I'll tap there. That is where you will type in whatever you want the character in the video to say and do. So what I want is I want the character to pick up the tomatoes, and the character is going to tell the audience that this woman's tomato is very fresh and affordable. So I'm going to say she picks up a tomato and shows to the viewers and says okay, sometimes I like to include the accent, the Nigerian accent, but since this is a local market, okay, the AI usually senses the surrounding of the image and the kind of image it is, and uses that to enhance the accent of the character. Okay, so in this case now it will automatically assume that this is a Nigerian market or this is an African market, and it will use an African or Nigerian intonation to create the speech. So to the viewers she says, so I'm not going to include a Nigerian accent, but if you want to be very, very sure and specific, you can include that. And she says in Nigerian accent. Okay, so she's going to say, this is where I buy fresh tomatoes at affordable price. I am AI. Full stop, and then let's go. So it is going to start creating that for us. Remember, we have created two now because automatically created one for us, and now it is creating another one. And note that Grok will give you some number of generations. I don't really know how many, but I know you can generate up to 10 videos every day, and it resets in 24 hours. So when you run
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price. I am AI.
Hear what she is saying.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price. I am AI.
All right.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price. I am AI.
All right, so this is cool.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price. I am AI.
For the other character.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price.
If you want to, you
I
can
am AI.
Camera movements.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price.
Come again.
I am AI.
Again and say camera.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price. I am AI.
Camera zooms
This is where I buy fresh
to
tomatoes at an affordable price.
face, you know,
I am
something
AI.
like that, and we go again and see what it will bring in for us. Okay. Okay, as you can see, these AI tools, you keep testing and prompting and correcting, you know, until you get what you want. Okay, so you can see now she walks to the camera and she didn't say anything, so we have to go again. Okay, I'll tap again and it starts creating again. Let's see if it will improve and give us what we actually want. Okay, it didn't give us that. I'm going to change this thing now. So what I'll do, I'm going to okay, I'm going to tap on custom and I don't want to allow me to pick this. Let me go back and okay, so now allows me. I'm going to remove the camera one and I'm going to here first. So I'll say camera zooms, camera okay, so she picks up, and so let's try it that we let it come before the other ones. If that does not work, we put it before the speech. Okay, let's see. What we are trying to achieve is a situation whereby the camera will show her face as she is talking. That's what we are trying to achieve.
Non-affordable, please. This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price. I am a non-affordable, please. This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price. I am a non-affordable,
now she is talking, but
this is where I buy fresh tomatoes at an affordable price. I am a non-affordable.
Okay, we keep trying until we get what we want. Okay. Remember, in the first one, she actually said everything, but there was no camera effect. But here we are trying to add a camera effect and also make her say what we actually want her to say. Okay, and it is not our fault that it is happening like this. It is just AI, so we keep testing and tweaking.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at affordable price. I am AI. This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at affordable price. I am AI.
Wonderful, fantastic.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at affordable price. I am AI.
Now, so we are going to do
this is where I buy fresh tomatoes at affordable price. I am AI.
Other character too. So I'll go
this is where I buy
this.
fresh
Download
tomatoes at
after
affordable
this
price. I am AI. This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at affordable price. I am AI.
And download it.
This is where I buy fresh tomatoes at affordable price. I am AI.
For the next character.
This is where
the next thing I'm going to show you now is how you can use a video editing app like CapCut to join them together. So
Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life.
I'm going to
tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images
this
to
is
life.
amazing.
So tighten
Okay,
up and let Mr.
and
Casey
if
show you how.
if
Learn how to use
if
free
you
AI tools
have
to
the
bring any
money, you can
images to
buy
life.
and
So
pay
tighten
for
up
the
and let Mr.
plan.
Casey
It
show
is
you how.
very,
Learn how
very
to use free AI tools
nice.
to bring
Okay,
any
so
images
we
to
go
life.
over
So tighten
to
up
that
and let Mr.
one.
Casey show
Now,
you how. Learn how to use
CapCut. So
free
I'm going
AI
to open
tools to bring
CapCut and
any
show you
images
how
to
you use
life.
CapCut
So tighten
to
up
join
and let Mr.
everything
Casey show you
together.
how. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up.
All right, so once you open CapCut, you can download it from Play Store. Once you open CapCut, tap on New Project, and when you tap on New Project, you will see all the things that you have created before. Look at this one is the first one, and this one is the last one. Okay, because it's going from right to left. So the first one there is the lady's own. So this one is the second one, and this is the last one we created. So and the one we want to work on, the two last ones that we created, we want to bring them together as one video. Okay, so let's play it first and see what happens here. See what happens here. I'm going to close this. Okay, I have noticed this I have noticed um this glitch in the app recently, that when you tap on download and you mute the sound, it doesn't download with the sound. So I'm going to go back again and let's download it with the sound. So I'm
Learn
going
how to
to
use free AI
unmute
tools to
it.
bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how. Learn how to use free AI
So I
tools to
have
bring any
downloaded that
images
one.
to life. So
Then
tighten up.
I will go
Hi
to this
viewers,
one
this
too.
is Slendom AI. Welcome to the tutorial on how to create talking images.
So what I'm
Hi
doing is
viewers,
that
this is
I
Slendom
downloaded
AI.
before and it
Welcome to the
didn't go.
tutorial on
I
how to
didn't
create
download with
talking
sound because I
images.
muted it.
Hi viewers, this
Okay,
is
this
Slendom
one is
AI.
happening after the
Welcome to the
recent update.
tutorial
I
on
know
how
they
to
will
create
correct
talking
it in the
images.
future.
Hi
Okay, in
viewers,
the
this
future
is Slendom
updates. So what
AI.
I observe
Welcome
is
to the
that when you
tutorial on how
mute
to create
and you
talking
download,
images.
it doesn't
Hi
download with the
viewers, this
sound.
is
So
Slendom
what you need to
AI.
do now
Welcome
is
to the
unmute
tutorial on how to
and
create
then
talking
download.
images.
So I will
Hi
unmute this
viewers,
one.
this is Slendom AI. Welcome to the tutorial on how to create talking images.
So
Hi
we now go
viewers,
back
this is
to CapCut, and we are not going to make use of this one again. We start a new project, and the two latest one that we downloaded, now we bring them in and then we play them. You will see that the sound will come out now.
Learn how to use free AI tools
Okay, so
learn how to use free AI tools.
okay, but the last one is the first, and the first one is the last. So let's rearrange.
Hi viewers, this is Slendom AI. Welcome to the tutorial on how to create talking images. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring.
Okay, so I'm going to add a transition here. So I will just tap on it and I will pick a transition, just a simple one that will flow seamlessly to the other one, and I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to reduce the time. Okay, so
Hi viewers, this is Slendom AI. Welcome to the tutorial on how to create talking images. Learn how to use free AI tools.
Fantastic. So one thing again you can do, okay, is to add keyframes that will zoom the face. So I'm going to tap on it, go this way. Here is the keyframe marker here. So I will tap on it, and it has a keyframe there indicated by the red thing that you can see there. So I will zoom and bring it in like this. So it's going to start playing this way, and then when he gets here, would have gone back to normal like this, or it would have gone to like this part like this. Then the other one will now start. I'm going to make this one start from the hand. So this is a different clip, this is another clip. I will add a keyframe there. So this one now will start from the mouth, something like that, and then it will go back. Because I want it to go faster and then show me the hand gestures, I will put another one here and bring it back to the hand gestures like this. Then it will go back to normal here. Immediately you do this, it will bring the whole thing back to normal. So let's see what we have now, and I'm going to play it full screen for us to see. Okay, full screen is rotating. This is not what I want. Okay, let me play it here.
Hi viewers, this is Slendom AI. Welcome to the tutorial on how to create talking images. Learn how to use free AI tools to bring any
Okay, a glitch there from
Talking images.
CapCut.
Learn how to use free AI
Alright.
tools to bring any images to life. So tighten up and let Mr. Casey show you how.
Alright, so I also delete this end screen, delete it. So we have it. Once you are done, you tap on export and export your video. So guys, that's the end of our tutorial. I hope you find it very, very beneficial. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you have any challenge, or if there's something else that you want me to create a video on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting quality tutorials like this one.